there Saber here, and this is Devlog 2. Wait, Devlog 1. Is Devlog 1 of the game of the walking simulator I'm making, and for some reason I'm calling it the Paint. I don't know. In this video, I'll actually be working on only uh, making the walking mechanic, or making the walking mechanics, and maybe the hub area actually, where everything will be. Yeah, till now I'll just have the main stuff ready, a player and the collision and stuff. Yeah, and then I'll begin to I have to code the movement. Yeah. So this is the first time actually that I've ever written in a movement code myself. Now I've worked on many games, but all the time I used to copy from the net and stuff like that on the Godot docs. But yeah, it is supposed to work as far as I think. Now all I have to do, let's try down. Hey, you have to move once. Works the first try.
A few moments later.
Okay, so after stealing the code from Godot docs, let's see if it works. Yeah, now we need it's a bit slow, but yeah, if I press it, it does not just move infinitely. Great, great work there. What did I do wrong? It's supposed to be the same thing, but I mean, who cares if it works.
One eternity later.
Okay, so I got the hub working. Like this, a very sample hub with 5 different test levels. So yeah, if you move, you can move obviously. If I come here, this is test 2. I press R and I'm here. I go here, test 5, press R, I'm back. Test 3, test 4, and test 1 is just the crappy platformer one. Yeah, it all works. Okay, so I should first explain why I'm making this, why this is a very crappy one. Actually, that is because the story requires it, because it's like the artist that had made those art had actually made one game in her whole life, because of a friend being too stubborn. Yeah, I mean, he was a Linux user. He used Arc. So so that's why, I mean, he forced her to make a game. Actually, he was irritating her, so she made this game. It was a crappy platformer game where with some special mechanics that I haven't thought of yet. So yeah, that's why in the next devlog, we will work on the interaction side of things. Like we've got the walking mechanics done, 8-way movement, platformer movement, and there is a little hub area to enter experiences. That's just for the prototype. So we need saving and loading data, which will be very hard for me since I've never actually saved and loaded data before. But yeah, interaction would be fun actually, thinking about what can we interact with and stuff like that. We will have to do a little brainstorming and stuff like that. But after that, we'll be ended with a neat prototype, I would say. With all 5 of these test levels, and later a good real levels, the real experiences actually, filled with a lot of content. And yeah, if we make a lot of progress in a few months or weeks, I guess the game will be completed. I guess I'll need help for the art, music, and maybe voice acting and stuff like that too, because I don't think I'll be able to do all of that alone. And the game requires exquisite art, a great art, because it is about art. So I guess that's it for this devlog. Stay tuned for the next one, and like and subscribe. Bye bye.